Eto na mga boss, guys, Taroverse, very exciting play to earn NFT game, and guys, super many rewards, super high rewards, and very exciting. Let's play this right now. Let's go! So yan na mga boss, no? So kung titingnan nyo dito, merong portal, pwede ka mag-interact, and as you can see, pwede kang gumawa na account mo, no? Just download it. Very easy. The link will be on the description below. You can register as well. Use my referral code, guys. And guys, Danjo Capital here, #1 NFT coach. You can earn a lot here, guys. And I'm telling you, it's very fun to play. As you can see, I've reviewed a lot of NFT games. You know guys, that I reviewed a lot of great NFT games, but this is one of the best, if not the best. No? Kasi complete package, guys, no? So ayan, how do I earn? Pwede ka na punta sa Carnival para mag-start na tayo mag-earn, guys. So mamaya papakita ko rin yung ibang features niya, no? Para maging updated kayo, no? Pero kung titignan nyo, guys, it's like true to life. Nagagawa mo lahat. Everything is here. You can earn money. Just download the app, play it iOS, Play Store, or in the PC if you want. But most of us are gonna play it on the phone, no? So guys, this is complete package. Taroverse is like the super complete package. Everything is here. Docs, devs, nagagawa mo lahat. You can also stake tokens, play different games. Ayan, you can meet people, interact, have party, which we showed a while ago, no? And I will also show you the sample party team later, no? Para makita ninyo pag pumasok ako sa party, anong mafe-feel. Okay na yun, maglaro muna tayo mga boss. So you can play. Ayan. So, kailangan natin ng hanap tayo ng libre. Yan, daily free spin. As you can see, for free, guys, you can have a free spin. Tingnan natin mga boss, no? Makuha natin. Ano kayang bonus natin? Dun, 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 dun! Guys, 150 times 150 tickets, guys. Ayan. Na tayo makipagsagupan dito. Meron na tayo 150 eh. Sige, wala mo tayong binayad, ha. We did not pay anything, guys. Oh, that's weak. Let's try again. Practice makes perfect, guys. Okay. Last. Nakuha ko na siya. I already got it. Boom! Guys, sumakto pa sa week. Ganyan lang, guys. Practice makes perfect, na. Dapat sa suho. Sige. Kuha ko na. Boom! Okay. That's good enough, I think. So, kung nakuha niyo strike doon, pwede ko check yung leaderboards, no? High strike, ayan, guys. Check nyo yung Carnival Pentacat. Ayan yung score nila, no? Balloon Pop, Meat Hunter, guys. Everything is here. You can check it. So you can also interact with your friends and with other people. Hello! Kumusta kayo? On your mic, no? Just on the mic. Hello! Kumusta kayo? Hello! Just on your mic, okay? And interact with people. You can also party. You can adjust the graphics, no? So I'm using Galaxy phone right now. So maybe on iPhone it's much more easier and smooth, no? Pero ayan. So meron pa ano dito. Pet cats. Okay, let's pet cats. Gain 1 ticket every 5 pets. Okay, lose 5. We're fast enough, my friend. We're fast enough. Bilis natin mga boss, no? Kalahatan nito, hindi na lang yung ginagawa natin. Of course, we know what we're doing, guys. As you can see, I'm using AirPods, no? So, we won 4 tickets, guys. Very exciting. And okay, let's play again because it's a nice game. Oh, we lost, so you can also lose, guys, no? So, but less likely, no, because it's a very easy game. Just don't tap fast. Kailangan smooth yung pag-tap nyo para makuha nyo lahat yun. So, meron pa dito itong giant. Ito. Meat Hunter! Okay! Sige. Wait. Let's find out. What the? Punat ah. It's running away. Go faster. Man, he's too fast, man. Okay, we got one meat. We have a special then. Special attack. Oh, special attack. Boom. Okay, 5 meat. That's good. We'll have to try the special attack later, no? As you can see, it's very convenient. Special attack! Boom! Miss! Attack miss! Okay. So as you can see guys, no, it's very fun. Later I will also show you guys the special features, no, that you can access. So the party mode, okay? I will show you guys, no, for you to be aware and updated about it. No? So as you can see, it's very easy. Even if your phone is shit, you can enjoy. And there's a timer about, no? So 214 seconds pa yan. Hindi lang. Try na natin yung special power dito. Dapat dikit na dikit. Ay hindi, post ito eh. Slap pa tayo ng animals. Special power. Boom! One hit! One hit guys. Problema sa mga ito, tumatakbo sila eh pag natamaan mo. Bagay kahit sinong animals naman. Pag natamaan mo, sino ba naman hindi magre-react? Pero na lang kung sira na yung reaction system. Okay guys, so jump lang tayo para maklaim natin. Okay, after jumping. Pwede kaya sa tao. Boom! Let's fight bro! Hindi gumiti po mga boss. Ayaw dumaban ni pare. So, very fun game, no guys. Nagagawa mo lang dito. It's complete package, no? So, giant naman na po. Gusto ka na, giant! Tayo na lang maglaban, giant. Huwag na yung animals. Okay, tayo na lang. Oh, there's a horse here. So, paramihan lang ng kills. So, ang goal nyo dito guys, manalo kayo sa leaderboard para kumita kayo ng taro. Kapag kayo nag-rank 1, rank 2, kahit libre, no, you can earn taro for free, which is nice. So use the taro to stake it as well para tumas yung value ng taro. Kaya you cannot kill humans, only animals for now, no? Maybe in the upcoming updates you can, but for now that's it. That's fine. Special power, one hit KO! Agad. Yung mga baboy na tatas mag-production. Okay. Ducks. Goodbye ducks. Okay. Special power again. Boom! There's a rabbit. Goodbye rabbit, I eat you. Okay. Very fun to play, no? Baka nyo rin mamaya yung party guys, at saka yung buong interface nito pag umaga. Also kapag guest mode, kasi pwede ka mag guest mode dito. Pero pag guest mode ka, hindi ka kikita. Kaya gawa ka na account mo. You use your MetaMask account to create. Easy to register, use my referral code guys. Very fun to play. Sana gumawa rin sila ng Archer dito, no, in the future. May Archer, no. We got 25. Not bad, guys, not bad. We got 25 and we got 25 tickets. So guys, very easy to do, super interesting.
So, pwede mong connect direct yung MetaMask mo, no, after you download the app. If you didn't yet download the app, yung link nasa description na. Okay, click mo na yung download, install, at mag-login ka lang. Kung di ka pa nakapag-login, mag-register ka sa taroverse.com. Very easy process, guys, no? Punta ka lang sa taroverse.com, register first, and use the login details. If you don't want to use your MetaMask, use your login details from taroverse.com at ipasok mo dito, guys. So, mas maganda may mic ka, no, para ma-live chat, no, makapag-interact ka sa iba. Kasi kung wala kang mic, di mo ma-use yung whole user experience na nasa metaverse ka na ipag-interact sa ibang tao, social aspect, no. So, yun na nga mga boss, no, kukonect lang yung avatar and start ng game kapag guest ka yan. So, magde-detect muna, mag-update, siyempre kailangan may add na firmwares para smooth yung experience, no. Pero kung titignan nyo, may jump, may party, at kapag kinlik yung settings, ayan, pwede nyo adjust yung graphics. So, may max, may, okay, minimum. So, tingnan nyo, parang true to life talaga mga boss, no? Tapos makita nyo dito yung leaderboards yung kanina para may tickets, no? The more you earn, the more na. Siyempre, mas mataas kita mo, mas maganda, no? And kapag gumamit ka ng token na Taroverse, tapos gusto mo i-stake, pwede rin, no? Kaya kapag nanalo ka dito, may reward ka rin. Okay? So, marami kang pwedeng pakinabangan di sa Taroverse na to, guys, no? And as you can see, you can on your mic. And once your mic is on, you can interact with other players as well. So, this is the guest mode, no? A while ago, I showed you the player mode wherein I connected my MetaMask, no? So, this one is much more for people who want to try it first, okay? Ayaw mo munang maglaro, gusto mo i-try. Ayan. So, may search, may poke, ayan, may hand. Tapos, makikita mo rin yung control sa settings, guys, no? So, ayan, no? So, makita mo yung rewards, okay? You can earn Taro tickets as well. And guys, it's very nice graphics, no? Para talaga naglalaro ka ng Kingdom Hearts, no? So may desktop only din. Ayan, audio, pwede mong enable yung mic. In the settings, there's the controls for the PC. Okay, so movement, jump, interact, toggle mic, ayan. So mas maganda laro nyo sa PC. For those of you who have PC, most of my audience probably has a Android phone or iOS, no, but not a PC. But if you have a PC, this is much smoother, no. So kung titingnan yung mga boss, no, parang ganyan, parang nag-i-interact ka, parang it look like ano, no, Fable. I don't know if you know Fable, guys. Fable is one of the best games na ganito yung klase siya, pero Xbox yun. Tagal na nun, it's like a 2005 game. So I think it's 2004. So you can check it out in Google. Fable, one of the best games like this. So it's like this, but the difference is you're earning here and you're having fun, no? So yan, you can talk to other people. Let's see, he wants a carrot and he's promoting carrot. He's saying carrot is nice, vitamins. So see, so this is Crafty. So this is a very social interactive game, no? Taroverse, which is nice. It's a metaverse experience. You can earn a lot here. Okay, you can stake, you can hold the token, because I believe token will go up, guys, no? That's why I don't want you guys to do massive selling with the token, because I want you to stock up right now. Even if it's crypto bear market, I want you to hold the Taro token and sell it for long term. Hold it for long term first, because this game has big potential, mga boss. Titingnan nyo naman anong klaseng play to earn NFT game yung ganito kaganda. This is one of the best actually, guys, if not the best, no? Nakita nyo naman kaninang gameplay, very easy to earn. Kahit wala kang budget, pwede kang kumita dito, guys, no? So yan, papunta-punta ka lang sa bahay, hanap-hanap ka ng mga makakausap mo na item habang hindi ka pa kumikita, no? Kung gusto mo na kumita, gawa ka na ng account mo nga sa MetaMask. Tapos, connect mo lang sa Taroverse app, download mo, ililink ko lahat sa baba, download mo na yung app. tapos connect mo, and guys, you can earn already. Diba? Napakadali. So, if you want this experience to do whatever you want, no, naboport ka sa mga games na very easy to play. This one is very interactive. Marami ka nagagawa. Dito para sa mga taong gustong nakastay ka lang tapos pinipindot mo na yung dalawang buttons. Hindi. Ito talagang nililibot mo yung mundo, parang nasa metaverse ka talaga. And as you can see, there's also billboard ads, no? Baka in the future they will implement also ads. So we don't know, because in Sandbox or any other type of games, meron malumilitaw na ads para sa mga business, no? Kasi alam nila halos mapera yung mga nagki-crypto. Yung mga business owners, naglalagay na sila ng billboard sa mismo metaverse, no? Para doon na ma-promote yung mismo project, no? Which is nice. So you can also party, no? Let's go to this portal to party. Live DJ Music Hall. Alright, guys. So it's very fun, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to access as well. You just go inside the portal and you wait for the download, no? So this download progress is for the update and it's permanent. So you don't have to repeat it again. So minsanan lang mo to sa device, and guys, madali lang siya. So another tips, guys, no, for those playing here to get the free rewards, always do your best to register your account and also invite your friends using my referral code, guys, no, para kayo mag-enjoy. You can have fun with your friends while playing and also earning together, no. So just go to the carnival. And also another thing to consider, you spin a lot of times, guys. Maximize your spinning capabilities, no. Sayang naman kung nagsispin kayo, mas malaki ang reward ninyo, mga boss, no. So syempre araw-araw libre yan. So after downloading this, it's already permanent and it will be on your device. Okay, so you can also party, guys, no. So titingnan nyo yan na, party mga boss. Alright, kung titingnan nyo, okay, so there's the spinning. You can also request song here, play your favorite song here, which is nice, no. And what I like about Taraverse is that, mga boss, lahat nandito na, complete. Alright, so another thing to consider, guys, kung gusto nyo tong game na to, okay, dapat meron kayong stable na device, no. So kailangan nyo ng stable na Android, iOS, or laptop or PC, no. So mapapakinabangan nyo tong game na to kasi for the long term na to talaga. So guys, if you want this, click the link below, download it now or play it, no. And you can also join the carnival using guest mode, but if you're playing guest mode, you cannot play the pay to earn games, no. So okay, so you can have Taro tokens as a reward for playing, no. You just check the leaderboards, no, but make sure, guys, use your MetaMask account or use your registered account, not guess. Okay, so yan, guys, mas maganda use my referral code, guys, no. Tapos mag-refer na rin kayo sa mga kilala nyo dito, no. And kung gusto nyo mag-stake, pwede rin, guys, very easy to do. Ayan, guys, one time login na naman, so skip na natin to. So yan na nga, mga boss, no. Pag nandito ka na sa carnival tapos guest mode gamit mo, hindi ka makakapag-play to earn, no. But anyway, that's it, guys. This is Danjo the Capital Master, #1 NFT coach in the world. This is Taraverse detailed gameplay, very exciting. I've cut all the best part for you to see. Okay, tinanggal ko na yung mga boring parts, and that's it, guys, no. So guest accounts may not play to earn. That's why I showed you a while ago I registered for account. Okay, this is very fun. Check it out, Taraverse review. Have a nice day, mga boss. This is Danjo the Capital Master.